started with Jay and Jen Plum Bob, looks like. What did you just ask me?
Are you putting them in the ground? Or are you cutting them first? And then
She asked me what I was doing, and what did I say?
winging it?
Winging it!
We don't have a plan all the time. How our conundrums happen.
I wonder why everything's going
Our
so shitty.
conundrums happen.
Whew. All right, guys. Here you go. We are a few pieces of strapping short. We have to, you know, we used all our long 14, 16 foot 2x4s that we had left from the beginning of the summer. And we got most of it done. I gotta slap some 4-footers, like a 4-footer here, 4-footer here, 4-footer here, and a 6-footer here. So, but yeah, one side almost done strapping, all supported. It's all supported down here with the posts. So the lean-to part is nice and secure. It might not even be a lean-to part. It might just be a big old garage. We'll see. Colors are winding down here, so I think we got a lot of good footage. Jenny worked really hard to show you guys a lot of the pretty stuff for the last 2 weeks, 2 videos probably. And yeah, it's winding down here. In about in a few days, it'll all be gone. It's pretty windy today.
Yeah, we're going to do the metal on non-windy days.
Yeah.
Guys, I just want to come on here real quick today to talk about Super Sparrow. They are the sponsors for today's video. Super Sparrow sent us the ultralight Triton bottles with the easy one-handed snap button to open it. It can keep a cold drink cold for up to 24 hours, or we've got coffee in here and it can keep a hot drink hot for 12 hours. Jason's taken it down to the hunting blind with him quite a few times, and he still has hot coffee hours and hours after he left the cabin. Super Sparrow Ultralight Triton bottles are BPA free, toxin free, which is really important because we don't want any of those toxins going into us, right? By using these water bottles, you're being environmentally friendly. There's no plastic, there's no waste going into the landfills. With the holidays coming up, this would be a really great gift for pretty much anybody. Everybody can use a good water bottle. Head over to supersparrow.com and place an order for one. They make them in a variety of sizes and colors and styles, so you can find the one that best meets your needs. And if you use the code JandJen10 when you check out, you will save 10%. Hey guys, guess what? Super Sparrow also gave us a whole bunch of extra water bottles to give away. How exciting is that?
So Super Sparrow sent us a whole box of water bottles, guys. We're going to be giving a lot of them away on Instagram. So check out Super Sparrow and Off Grid with Jay and Jen on Instagram.
Make sure you're following both of us and then comment on my post and we'll pick some random winners.
We'll give one away here on YouTube also. So in the comment section below, you say, hey, I want a Super Sparrow water bottle, and we'll pick a random winner.
Thanks, guys.
All right, thanks, guys. Here's halfway on there.
That's that, right?
Yep. Got that for a minute? Huh. Normally I cut those and the angle's all wrong and it's twisted and where you need to go.
This way, so.
She's almost ready for metal. So, and then we can put the metal on. We got ourselves a very large carport slash pole barn with no sides.
Put sides on it.
Yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do for sure. I don't know if we're gonna box the whole thing in, just the middle. I don't know what we're doing. So I'm thinking we're gonna box the whole thing in, other than like the front corner here. So we'll see. So what do you guys think? It's 20 feet deep and 26, 28 feet wide. Pretty big.
Make sure to like, subscribe, comment. All the interaction really helps.
Yep. YouTube does a reset every 6 months or so, I think, and we need your help to get back in the algorithm and find our place, okay? So hit the like button, comment please, and subscribe if you're new.